Standard 6, General Science, Disaster Management, and now part 4. In this part, we are going to take details about first aid. Now, what is meant by first aid? In day-to-day life, sometimes we have to face disaster or accidents of varying proportions. On such occasions, it is necessary to give some immediate aid even before medical treatment becomes available. So this is called first aid, or before getting any medical treatment we have to use first aid. So there are many kinds of first aid. So first one is external bleeding. Now first one is external bleeding. If a person bleeding, first make him sit or lie down comfortably. Keep the bleeding part of the body above the level of the heart and then clean it with water. So this first treatment we have to give the person who is bleeding. Second, burns and scars, but in minor burns. Okay, this will be applicable for minor burns. So first we have to do is the injured part should wash with water or held under water. Give the victim water to drink. Clean the wounds using cotton swab. Soak in an antiseptic solution, which is soaked into antiseptic solution. Then do not apply oily ointments. Covered wounds using dry dressings. We have to cover their wounds with dry dressings. So this first aid treatment we have to give serious burns. So in this case we have to give emotional support first. Then cover the wounds with sterilized cloth. Sterilized cloth only we have to use if burning is serious. Then do not touch on burst blister on the skin. Whatever blister comes on the skin of burn person, don't touch it. Remove jewelry, shoes, etc. if easily possible. If it is not easily possible, don't try to take it out. Then do not apply oily ointments. And do not try to remove the clothes if it is stuck to the burned skin. Give water to drink, but avoid tea or coffee or other stimulating drinks. So this we have to do for this first aid we have to do for the serious burns. Next is sunstroke. When we work in the sun continuously for the long time, the body loses a lot of water and minerals. That is the reason for sunstroke. So for sunstroke, what we have to do is take the patient to a cool place or in the shade first. Second, sponge the whole body with water. We have to sponge the whole body with water. Place a cloth soaked in a cold water on the neck. Then give plenty of water or liquids like sharbats to drink. This first aid we have to give a person who got sunstroke. Next one is snake bite. There are nearly 2000 species of snakes. Of these, only a few like cobra, vipers and sea snakes are poisonous. So therefore all snake bites are not fatal. So it causes several psychological shock which can result in death. So if you come across contact of Serpometer, rather than killing the snake at once, snake bite if happens, what to do? Wash the wound with water. Give emotional support to the patient, which is very necessary because they are already scared. So we have to give them emotional support. Then tie a cloth tightly above the wound and give immediate medical help. If possible, try to give immediate medical help to them. So these three things we can do for the snake bite. Now next is dog bite. In a dog bite, there is a risk of infection through the blood. So hence first aid and medical help are necessary. So for this we have to wash the wounds with solution of potassium permanganate or other antiseptic first. Cover the wound with a clean and dry cloth. Then get a doctor's help and injection of the anti-rabies vaccine. So this we can do for the dog bite.